How was the universe created? The Big Bang Explained Part 2. Chapter 4. The Era of Light, the universe's first glow. After the violent first seconds, the universe was still a hot, dense soup of particles too chaotic for light to escape. For 380,000 years, darkness reigned. But then, something extraordinary happened. As the universe cooled, atoms finally formed. Electrons settled into orbits around nuclei, and suddenly light was free to travel. This first light, known as the cosmic microwave background (CMB), still exists today. It's the oldest light in the universe, a ghostly echo of the Big Bang stretched over billions of years into faint microwaves. And with light came something even greater. The universe was ready for its next big transformation. Chapter 5. The Birth of Stars and Galaxies. For millions of years, the universe remained a vast, dark void. But deep in space, tiny variations in density caused certain areas to collapse under gravity. Gas clouds swirled, temperatures soared, and then boom, the first stars ignited. These weren't stars like our sun. They were gigantic monsters, hundreds of times more massive, burning at extreme temperatures. And with their birth, something new began: the creation of the elements of life. Inside these stars, hydrogen fused into helium, carbon, oxygen, and heavier elements. And when these stars died in supernova explosions, they scattered these elements across space, seeding future planets and, eventually, life itself. Chapter 6. From Chaos to the Modern Universe. As more stars formed, they pulled together into massive cosmic structures, the first galaxies. One of these galaxies, formed 13.5 billion years ago, would later become our home, the Milky Way. Over billions of years, planets formed, solar systems stabilized, and in one small corner of the universe, a young sun ignited and a tiny blue planet was born. That planet, Earth. This is how we got here, from the birth of time to the creation of our home. But the story isn't over yet. The universe is still expanding. Galaxies are drifting apart. What will happen next? Will the universe expand forever, or could it collapse back into nothingness? That's a question for another video. What's next for the universe? And that's how everything began. From the first explosion of light to the birth of galaxies, stars, and eventually, us. Want to dive deeper? In our next video, we'll explore the fate of the universe. Will it expand forever? Will it end in fire or ice? If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next big story. Tell us in the comments, what do you think is the most mind-blowing part of the universe's creation? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.